In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to move images in Constant Contact so you can improve your email layout and create clean professional designs. Once you're inside the email editor, start by clicking the image you want to move. You'll see it highlight, which means it's ready to be repositioned. Now, click and hold the image, then drag it to the spot where you want it to appear. As you move it around, a magenta guideline will appear on the screen. This guideline is extremely helpful because it shows you exactly where the image will land when you release your mouse. If your image is inside a text block, you will have even more control through the image toolbar. This lets you align the image to the left, center, or right, making it easy to match your layout style and keep everything looking balanced. For tighter design control, you can also use the spacer block. Drag a spacer above or below your image to add breathing room and fine-tune the placement. This is especially useful when you want to avoid clutter or create separation between different sections of your email. Once you start using these tools together, you will find it much easier to shape your email exactly the way you want. With a little practice, moving images becomes quick, simple, and surprisingly precise. Try it out the next time you work on a campaign, and you'll notice how much cleaner and more polished your emails look. Happy designing!